What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino, and welcome back to 60-second cocktails. Ladies and gentlemen, if there's anything you're gonna learn about Vino, is that I am a glutton for punishment. Now let me give you guys an example of why, all right? So a couple of months ago, I posted a video where I made 2 Jägermeister cocktails, all right? Now one of those cocktails was absolutely delicious, and the other one was fine. I'll put a link to it up here for you guys to check out. That video absolutely flopped. I mean, one of my worst performing videos, and it really stuck to my craw. So I said to myself, I am going to redeem myself one day, and today will be that day, all right? Now it's possible that no one even cares about Jägermeister. No one's searching for the video. I mean, what are you gonna do? So YouTube algorithm, be damned. I'm gonna make you guys 2 more Jägermeister cocktails that are actually very fitting for this hot summer weather. So make sure you guys stick around because we are gonna boogie down. All right, folks, so the first cocktail I'm gonna make on my Jägermeister redemption tour is called a Surfer on Acid. So let's check out what is in the sauce. The first thing we're gonna need is 1 ounce of Jägermeister. The next thing you're gonna want is 1 ounce of coconut rum. Now you're gonna want 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Now we're gonna add ice to our shaker. Then you're going to shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, now you want to take your glass out, which I had chilling like a villain. We're going to be serving that in a rocks glass. Then we're going to fill our glass with ice. Now let's pour our drink into the glass. Okay, then I'm just going to garnish that with a little dehydrated lime wheel. And there we have it, folks, our Surfer on Acid. All right, so I'm gonna put that cocktail to the side. I'm gonna try both cocktails out at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. And the next cocktail we're making is called a German Vacation. So let's check out what is in the sauce. The first thing we're gonna need is 1 ounce of a Jägermeister. Now you're gonna want 1 ounce of an aged rum. We're gonna follow that up with 3/4 an ounce of a ginger liqueur. Next, we're doing 3/4 an ounce of good old lemon juice. And now we're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of my favorite syrup, Orgeat. Now we're gonna put some ice in our shaker. I'm gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna get our glass out. I'm gonna be serving that in a stemmed highball, but you can of course use any highball that you have. Now we're gonna fill that glass with some crushed ice. Now let's pour our drink. I'm gonna top the drink off with some more crushed ice. Then we're gonna top it off with about 3 to 4 dashes of some Peychaud bitters. And there you have it, folks, a German Vacation. All right, folks, so we're gonna go ahead and give both of these bad boys a sippy sip. My Jägermeister do-over or my redemption is here. And let's go ahead and put this bad boy right to the side. And we're gonna start off with the Surfer on Acid, all right? Now this is coconut rum, Jägermeister, and pineapple juice. Very, very tropical. That is delicious, guys. I'm telling you, this is so good, so refreshing. The tartness and the sweetness from the pineapple juice really blends so good with the herbaceousness you get from the Jägermeister, and the coconut rum just adds a beautiful tropical element to it. My God, this is a fantastically delicious cocktail, guys. I could drink these all day. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and try the German Vacation, which is some Jägermeister, some aged rum, some ginger liqueur, lemon juice. Let's go ahead and give it a sippy sip. Oh, that is so good. That is delicious. And this is one of those cocktails where the Jägermeister is actually not super prominent. I mean, you get it a little bit on the back end, a little bit of that herbaceousness is still there on the back end. But what you're really getting in this is a real good balance between the ginger, the aged rum, and a little bit of herbaceousness from the Jägermeister. So it's a very nice, balanced, refreshing cocktail. Another really, really, really good example of how to use Jägermeister. Guys, these are both delicious cocktails. So look, this video might get 50 views for all I know. But all I gotta tell you guys is I feel good because these are both delicious cocktails. So if you don't know, if you have Jägermeister and you don't know what to do with it, or if you don't have it and you're thinking to yourself, maybe Vino's onto something, this is the video that should put you over the top to get some Jaeger, even if you get one of those little small Jaeger bottles, all right? All right, folks, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and if you learned anything today, is to never ever give up. If you make a flop video one time, hey, make another, who cares? Anyway, folks, when life gives you lemons, you make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.